We're diving into a full, in-depth review of the Huawei P50 Pro, a device that aims to redefine mobile photography and premium smartphone design. Design and build. The Huawei P50 Pro is a stunner. It features a curved 6.6-inch OLED display with incredibly slim bezels and a punch-hole selfie camera. The back showcases a unique dual-matrix camera module, which definitely stands out from the crowd. Display. The P50 Pro's OLED display is sharp, vivid, and buttery smooth with its 120Hz refresh rate. The resolution is 2700 by 1228 pixels, which gives you stunning clarity whether you're streaming videos, gaming, or browsing. Performance. The P50 Pro runs on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 4G or Kirin 9000 depending on the region. Both are still solid performers in 2025 for daily tasks, multitasking, and gaming. The phone comes with 8 or 12 GB of RAM and 256 or 512 GB of storage, giving you plenty of room for apps, photos, and videos. Camera. The P50 Pro packs a quad camera system. 50MP True Chroma primary sensor. 64MP telephoto with 3.5x optical zoom and up to 100x digital zoom. 13MP ultra-wide. 40MP monochrome sensor. Photos are sharp, detailed, and vibrant, especially in daylight. Battery and charging. The P50 Pro features a 4360 mAh battery, which gets you through a full day of moderate use comfortably. Overall, if you value camera performance, premium design, and display quality, it still holds up very well. Thank you so much.